want to request court to prevail over the situation we see here. When we came here in the morning, it was heavy deployment. Military, all manner of outfits. It became convoluted for lawyers, for sureties to access court. Because this is a public place. And we're not coming here to have lunch. We are coming here because our people are being brought here, and so matters have got to be attended to. So our request is that court does prevail over its premises, because this is unnecessary. It is unacceptable, because now if sureties are being called by court and they're not in because they're outside being denied access, some are being given slaps and so on, what do they expect us to do? The sad thing is that the state attorney, I guess out of excitement, as our colleagues were saying, no, court, can we help so that sureties and other lawyers access court because it's difficult? State attorney One Nambuya Sarah Sharon, she spoke and said, no, you see the military deployed because of the terrorism in town, bombings. I said, now, this excited fellow here, why do you not stick to your job description? Are you the spokesperson of the army, of police, of court, of what? We want to respect you in doing your job, but respect yourself. Stick to your job description. I don't know where this excitement is coming from, Nambuya. It is unnecessary. It is uncalled for. Stick to your duty. When we have concerns, because you're the one asking, where are the sureties? We are telling you the sureties are stuck at the gate. You're saying, no, they deployed because of terrorism and so on. Let's get serious. The very unfortunate incident that happened, our colleague, my deputy in the party, deputy spokesperson, Alex Waiswa Mufumbiro, was kidnapped right here at the court premises, put in a Noah by military persons, taken to we do not know where. He had come also as one of the sureties. Sadly, we don't know where they have taken him. This criminal behavior of people who are supposed to observe law and order has got no place in 2025. I want to challenge the military, police, and all those other outfits, because I saw Felix Kulaije on TV saying, yes, Bobby Giant was kidnapped because of unlawful drilling. I want to challenge whether it be Kulaije, but this might even be above his pay grade. Anybody who has got any matter with any of us, please summon us. We are going to show up. Make a list, whether it's 50 people, 100 people, whatever, saying all these people, Joel, Ssenyonyi, whoever, write whichever list you want. Do summon us. We are going to show up. Whether you want us to come at Mbuya or CID or wherever, but this cowardly act of kidnapping people, now you take them to we don't know where, basements, beat them up. That's how Eddie Muto was kidnapped and taken to the basement and beaten up. Now he's here on this file. That's very cowardly. It has got no place. If you are brave enough, do summon us. We are going to show up because we are law abiding, and we shall listen to whatever it is. So we are still tracing to establish where Alex Waiswa might be. Hopefully he's safe and not being tortured.